Colorado Senator Cory Gardner has a plan to help our ski areas, which had to end their seasons early. He's asking the Department of Agriculture to waive the Forest Service fees that the resorts typically have to pay to lease the land. As we reported last night, Senator Gardner and Congressman Jason Crow are now self-quarantined after being in contact with a constituent who later tested positive. Our political specialist Sean Boyd caught up with the senator this afternoon.
Well, I feel fine, no symptoms.
I connected with Senator Cory Gardner via Skype as he sat in his studio apartment and I sat in my kitchen. Like most Americans, we're working remotely these days, although unlike most of us, Gardner is in quarantine after getting a call from Tri-County Health.
And had said that on March 11th I had come into contact with a Coloradan, had a significant contact period, a meeting in my office with a Coloradan who has tested positive for coronavirus.
Gardner has not been tested, but he says the health department and Congress-owned physician recommended quarantine.
We know what we have to do. I mean, we do our part, right?
He says he's also doing his part to educate Coloradans. His website filled with information.
I want to thank everyone for joining us.
And he passed time in quarantine holding a telephone town hall with 12,000 Coloradans and UC Health's head of emergency services.
Those 4 to 6 people should be at least 6 feet apart.
Yeah, we've gotten a lot of questions just to, where do they go for help? How does testing work? What can I do? Can I go to the grocery store?
As he works to slow the spread of the virus, Gardner says he's also working to speed financial relief. He supports the Senate's passage of an aid package, but says it's not enough.
How do we, in the most efficient and quickest way, get relief into the hands of consumers? That's probably the debate, but that's not going to be the reason to slow it down. It's not going to be the reason to delay it.
He may be in quarantine, but Gardner says he's not on break.
So you're not stir crazy yet?
It's coming, I can tell.
Political specialist Sean Boyd covering Colorado First.
Congressman Jason Crow and Senator Michael Bennet were likely exposed to that same Coloradan. Tri-County Health recommended they quarantine too. Well, Crow did, Bennet did not. His office tells us the congressional physician told him it wasn't necessary.